Pilots, ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
We've got movement in the Thomas period, 971, Spartan Robotics triggering that hopper and launching into the high efficiency boiler over on the Blue Alliance side. Meanwhile, on the red, we got a successful autonomous gear delivery. 2 gears delivered to the autonomous, it looks like, potentially. On the Red Alliance, at least 972, Iron Claw, they got one delivered in the Thomas period, earning that 20-point bonus. Over on the Blue, they earned 31 kPa of steam pressure during the autonomous period, making it a very close autonomous, 70 to 81. With those fuel points, 11 of them putting them up in the lead for the Blue Alliance, thanks to Spartan Robotics. But now over on the red, they are releasing, trying to get those lifts back in place, and 971 continues to shoot on that high-efficiency boiler and load up the fuel pressure, and there it is, they've hit the 40 kPa mark, earning that additional ranking point for their alliance. Spartan Robotics currently in the lead spot, and likely to maintain it after getting that additional ranking point. We're at a minute and a half remaining. Already Spartan Robotics made it back and forth across the field to grab some fuel and grab a gear and get that delivered to that blue airship. Over on the red, Baybots, they've got a gear in their machine. They're just lining up on that gear lift, looking to deliver that and get their next rotor moving. Red Alliance already has their second rotor moving, pulling them into the lead with 185. Make that 210 now. Red Alliance pulling ahead. Blue Alliance also just getting their second rotor up and running. They're up to 135, but still trailing behind the Red Alliance. MVRT 115. They've got a gear in their machine. They're lining up on that gear peg, trying to pull that up in the ship. But their alliance partners, Baybots, they've delivered one and 115 as well. They've got 4 gears stacked up and ready to go in that Red Alliance airship. They are ready to get that third rotor moving, and they're already 2 gears on the way, 3 gears on the way to rotor number 4 for the Red Alliance. Gonna be a very close match. Blue Alliance may have earned their extra ranking point, but their victory is not assured as we enter our final 30 seconds. These teams are now trying to climb aboard. We got one more gear delivery by 115 on the Red Alliance. They have a very solid lead, over 100 points. Let's see who can climb aboard the airship. Spartan Robotics closes the gap as they climb aboard, and we got 2 red robots on their way up. There's 9 seconds left. Iron Claw looks like they're ready for takeoff, and MVRT ready for takeoff. Over on the Blue Alliance, Wildhats are also ready for takeoff as time expires in match number 29. We have your official score now. Coming to the screen, looks like it's the Red Alliance crossing the finish line first with a score of 350. Blue Alliance 235.